Take a look at this channel. It's generating thousands of dollars and attracting millions of views with AI videos like these. You might think creating such videos is super difficult, but don't worry, it's actually much easier than you think. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create similar AI-generated videos and start making money. So now we will create a short video like this.
Meet Rufus, the dog of mystery. He's not just cute, you know. Rufus has a secret life. When you leave, he transforms. He becomes the master of snacks.
So let's jump right into it. Open your browser and head to ChatGPT. Now, type in this prompt. Don't worry, you can grab this exact prompt from the link in the description below, and feel free to tweak it to your needs. Hit enter and watch as ChatGPT starts writing your script. But wait, don't get too excited yet. This script is filled with headings and narrators. We don't need those. Remove the clutter. Just type in, remove all headings and narrators, and hit enter. ChatGPT will clean up the script, leaving us with only the good stuff. Next, write an image generation prompt for each scene. Watch as ChatGPT works its magic and writes image prompts for your video. Copy the first prompt and let's move on. Time to generate some AI images. Open a new tab and search for Picleman, and you'll see a neat little interface. Hit generate for free and choose the Google option to sign in with your Gmail. This is a completely free AI tool. No need to drop cash on expensive plans. Go to the Create tab on the left side of your screen, paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT, and hit Adjustments. Select the aspect ratio you want for your image, then click Generate. After a few moments, your image will be ready to download as a JPG. Repeat this for all the images you need for your video. Now, we need someone to narrate the script. Asking a friend might get you some weird looks, so let's use 11 Labs. Head over to 11 Labs, paste your ChatGPT generated script, and click Generate Speech. Once the speech is ready, click Download and save your voiceover. Now that we have our images and voiceover, let's put it all together. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import the voiceover and all the images you've generated. Drag and drop the voiceover onto the timeline, then one by one, drop the images in sync with the audio. Once everything is in place, then go to the Transitions tab and add transitions after each clip. After that, select all clips and press Alt+G to create a compound clip. Head over to the Effects tab and search for the wobble effect. Drag it onto your compound clip to add some movement and make your video pop. Add auto captions and templates. To make your video even more engaging, add auto captions. Click the Caption tab, hit Generate, and wait a moment while CapCut works its magic. After the captions are ready, head over to the Template tab and pick one that suits your style. I'll go with this one, and boom. Video ready, and that's it. You've just created a high-quality AI video in no time. You can see the final results.
Mystery. He's not just cute, you know. Rufus has a secret life. When you leave, he transforms. He becomes the master of snacks.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more awesome content.